are the loneliest places for outcasts and rebels, or anyone who just dares to be different. And you've been trying for so long to find out where your place is, but in their narrow minds there's no room for anyone who dares to do something different. Oh, but listen for a minute. Trust the one who's been where you are, wishing all it was sticks and stones. Those words cut deep, but they don't mean you're all alone, and you're not invisible. Hear me out. There's so much more to life than what you're feeling now. Someday you'll look back on all these days, and all this pain is gonna be invisible.
Hi, Weng. Sa lahat ng farewell, ito ang hindi makukonsider na malungkot. Kasi nag-open ulit ito ng bagong chapter sa buhay mo. I wish you all the luck in the world. Stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Malayo yung pupuntahan mo.
Every heart has a rhythm. Let yours beat out.
Hello, Weng. Masaya naman ako sa'yo at mag-LA ka na. Masaya ako. Anyway, basta ingat ka doon. Magsaya kayong dalawa ni Dwayne. Lagi yung tatandaan, nandito lang ako. Okay? But anyway, I'm going to LA by April soon. See you soon. Love you, sister.
Ma'am Weng, have a safe trip and God bless. We will miss you in Celebrity Club. I can't believe. But anyway, I'm just a text away. Always here for you, ma'am.
Hello, Miss Weng. Una tayong nagkita sa Celebrity Club mga 20 years ago o more than 20 years ago pa. So, mga nene pa lang tayo nun. Ngayon ay hindi na tayo mga nene, pero baby face pa rin tayo. Nakakatuwa lang isipin kasi ang bilis ng panahon, parang kailan lang. Happy ako kasi makakasama mo na si hubby mo. Magigising ka sa umaga, nakatabi mo, mayayakap mo, makakatuwang mo sa lahat ng bagay, at yun ang importante. Maiksi lang ang panahon, maiksi lang ang buhay, kaya spend natin yun sa mga taong mahal natin, especially sa ating asawa. Nakaka-sad lang ng kaunti, little sadness lang naman, kasi kapalit nun is syempre kailangan mong umalis. So don't worry, kasi yung mga tao mo, alam kong kaya nila at kakayanin nila. Naging good mentor ka sa kanila, kaya I'm sure, alam mo yun, ang dami nilang natutunan sa'yo. Have a safe trip, have a happy life, and good luck. And don't worry, kasi may Facebook naman, kaya hindi goodbye. Oh. Ingat. I love you.
If you break it to me gently, that I'm waking the next day without you beside me, and who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just be a memory, and that I will love.
Hey ma'am, wishing you all the best in your future. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Sana magkita tayo ulit.
Stayed in here just to watch you disappear, so I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go?
Moshi. This is it. Finally, makakagora ka na rin ng US. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Thank you sa lahat na mga pangaral and yung na-experience ko dyan sa celebrity na until now ay baon-baon ko pa rin. And sana magkaroon na kayo ng maraming supling ni Kuya Edwin. And ayun, sana umiyak siya. Ano ba yan? Hindi ako sa'yo mag-video-video. Ano ba yan? Ayun, good luck to your next journey. Hanapan mo ka ng akong dyan. Diba ang kaaw na agad ako sa hirap. Ay, Ma'am Shi, mag-iingat kayo palagi. Bon voyage! Bye!
Hi, Wing! Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, nandito pala ako sa office. And, just gonna give you a short message. I guess this is it. I miss ka namin. Of course, we all wish you for the best. And, yun, may you embrace the culture in the US. And I know that you're gonna start a new journey with your married life. Same lang. So, yun. Ano ba yan? 4 na nga lang tayo, tapos mababawasan pa na isa. Oh my goodness. Tapos yung isang missing in action pa. Anyway, joke lang yun. Tapos, ayun, yung ano natin, spur of the moment natin na jogging, na alis, na marinis ko yun. Pati mga coffee, ganyan. But anyway, this is gonna be a new start. And I'm gonna pray for you. We'll pray for you. And naman, we're gonna refer a girl there in the US. And good luck in your journey. And if you need us, chat lang, video call. We always do that naman, di ba? And yun, I love you and thank you. And good luck and take care kay ni Edwin doon. Bye!
Hi Weng, you're going to have the trip of a lifetime. So good luck and enjoy every second of it.
Hi, Mom! Finally! The waiting season is finally over for you and Kuya. I'm so happy na finally yung prayers, yung hard work nyo is nag-pay off na. Ito na yun na finally magkakasama na kayo, hindi na magkakaiwalay, and I know na may magandang future para sa inyo dun sa US. And sana soon magkita-kita tayo. Kung di man sa Pilipinas, maybe dyan or dito sa Canada. So I hope nothing but the best for all of us. I miss you all. Bye, Mom. Bon voyage.
Congrats, Ma'am Wing. Ito na yun. Pinakaantay niyo ni Kuya. Na ito yung ayoko dati. Pero kailangan kasi may kanya-kanya tayong pamilya. Ma'am, salamat sa lahat-lahat. Hindi lang kita naging boss, naging kaibigan at ate din kita. Sana kahit na magkakalayo tayo, hindi pa rin tayo magbabago. Masaya ako para sa inyo ni Kuya, pero may lungkot pa rin. Kasi may naiwan tayo. Si Mars. Pero alam ko, kayang-kaya niya yan. Kaya sana sa mga naiwan natin, na mga kasama natin, sana kung ano yung sinimulan natin na maganda, somehow, sana ganun pa rin kahit wala na tayo. At alam ko, kaya-kaya nyo yan.
yung saya ng Mau, iba yung saya dito at diyan. Masasabi kong sobrang saya ko pag nandyan ako. Pero dahil nandito na tayo, kaya ito tuloy na natin. Ma'am Weng, alagaan mo yung sarili mo doon. Sana balang araw magkita tayo. Kasi alam ko magkalapit lang pala tayo dito. Miss ko na kayong lahat. Regards na lang sa mga taga-select. Happy bon voyage, ma'am. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Kakasama na tayo finally. Tagal natin ng ito. Dami natin pinagdaanan. Gusto ko lang malaman na ginawa mo lahat for 20 plus years sa Celeb. Dito na yung parang pangalawa mong bahay. Binigay mo lahat. Di ka nagkulang. Marami ka natulungan. And that makes me proud as your husband. I know deep inside, masama o mahihirapan ka iwan yung trabaho mo. Pero sabi ko nga, nagdaanan ko na yan. I've been there, done that. Sa tulong ng Panginoon Diyos, kinaya ko naman. And I'm sure kakayanin natin ang buhay dito sa Amerika. Rest assured na dasal ka lang. Let God be the center of our lives. And what can I say? I'm waiting. Like what I said, I'm counting the days for us to be together. At finally, patunayan natin sa kanila na may forever. I love you so much. Enjoy ka lang. And all I want is for you to be happy. Thank you for everything, and I'm sure ka mag-alala. Ang ganda naman ng komunikasyon. Kung may kailangan sila, Nesh, nakasuporta pa rin tayo. Okay? I love you. My forever. Bon voyage and have a safe trip. I'll see you soon, my babes.